Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. Welcome to another Friday with Friends. I hope you've already been to see Tiffany Ramin and Pouring Together with Lance Travis and Cynthia Porter Studio. Up next after me will be Nate Bright Art, and all the links will be down below in my description. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm doing a pearl pour. And this is a pearl pour that I saw from Jamie Created That. And Jamie got it from Lala Roche Art. And I'll leave the links down below to both of those wonderful artists. And this is something that I found so easy. And I think you're going to find it easy also. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this in rainbow colors. And this is to celebrate the beginning of Pride Month. And you all know me by now. And if you're new here, you will get to know me. I am going to give you a lot of quotes on Pride Month. And I do hope you enjoy them. Sending this to my family and friends, old and new. Don't ever be afraid to show your true colors. Always remember, the bravest thing you can be is yourself. I really haven't decided how I was going to do this. I think I'm going to make puddles. I'm going to start out like this with little puddles. Go along, and I may be making lots of these little puddles. True belonging doesn't require us to change who we are. It requires us to be who we are. Bren Brown. There's nothing more beautiful and powerful than someone who chooses to be themselves. Now let's take some of this black. This is the Artist Loft black. And now I have some Amsterdam, and that's Amsterdam Phthalo Prussian Blue. Just to get a little heat in that color. And let's see. Here we go.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight.
And look at how these pearls are coming up. Beautiful. Woohoo! Look at that. Can you see that? Wow.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know.
So I was pretty happy with the way these pearls were coming up. They were nice big pearls and they were well defined. And then I realized at one point that I did not take enough of the paint off of the canvas. So I said, well, you know what? I'm gonna blow some, I'm just gonna blow into it in little spots and see what happens. And I was getting these beautiful little flowers or whatever. And then I don't know what happened. I got possessed for a moment and I just picked that canvas up because there was still so much paint on there, and I started to take some of that paint off. And then everything, all those pearl cells enlarged even more and stretched out, but I liked it. In fact, I loved it. I loved what was happening on this canvas. I had all that negative space. I had these big, bold boulders, and I loved it. And I said, wow, what can I do here? Like, I felt like I needed to do something else. I knew I wanted to, I wanted to put it vertically and not horizontal. To me, they started to look like little clouds and little things floating in the air. And I said, this piece is just perfect for the theme that I was celebrating, the rainbow. It was not in a rainbow fashion, it wasn't all the colors in a rainbow fashion, but they were each separate and they were diverse and they were different. And this was exactly what I wanted. I wanted diversity in my canvas, and that's what I got, and everything was different. They weren't the same. And I started to get my airbrush, and I started playing on the bottom, and I started to pull some of that color up, and I got such gorgeous color down here and beautiful cells. Absolutely gorgeous. So that top stayed so beautiful, and then I did that bottom with the airbrush, and you'll see how it comes out. I think you'll agree with me. Please tell me in the comments below what you think about this. I really love it. I love that I brought more of the colors from underneath. Then I decided I was going to go around the canvas with the airbrush. So I didn't just do the bottom. I did go along the sides of the canvas. And you'll see me coming up at here. I'm sorry I was out of frame as I did that, but you will see it in the finished piece. And then I also did it around the other side. But I really love it. Some of them, they look like floating, I don't know. Just tell me what you think about this. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments below. But I love the way each of these boulders are defined. And I love the negative space I got in between. I love that the pearls did not take over my canvas. This really, to me, one of the best pearl pours that I've done in a very long time. I know the recipe works. I'll leave it down below. I know that if I would have taken more paint off, I would have got the actual pearl effect that you're supposed to get. So, happy Pride Month, and never be afraid of who you are. Never be ashamed of who you are. Don't be afraid to voice yourself. Of course, do it at your own pace and when you're ready. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. I'm going to give you my close-up of the wet results here. And then after that, I'll give you the dried results. I want to take this moment to thank Tiffany, Lance, Cindy, and Nate for standing in for me today. It was a big day in our household. We had 2 graduations. Rachel, congratulations for graduating 8th grade, and Ariana for graduating high school. Rachel will be going on to Harvard Westlake, and Ariana will be going on to college. She'll be going to Santa Cruz next year. So it's a big day in our house, and I can't thank my friends, my Friday with friends, family, enough for standing in for me today. And I thank you all for being here and watching my video and standing by us week after week. We really enjoy doing this, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And I want to take this moment to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed my Pride Month video. And everyone, please be safe out there. Thank you all for coming. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Nate Bright Art will be next. Look down below for all the links. Bye-bye now. Have a great week.